alone. You left me in the rearview, couldn't see your face. Now I'm chasing shadows in this empty space. The sun sets low, but the fire still burns. You took my heart, now it's your turn. I've been running wild, can't keep me in chains. I'm a lion in the jungle, don't feel no pain. You tried to tame me, but I'm still untamed. Playing with fire, it's all a damn game. I'm out here howling at the moon, gonna find my way and it's coming soon. I'm running wild, can't slow me down. I'm lost in the city, I'm tearing through town. You left me broken, but I'm still standing tall. Running wild, baby, I'm out of control. I'm running wild, no looking back. I'm free as the wind on a one-way track. You thought you could break me, but I'm still alive. Running wild, baby, I'm gonna survive. I've been down on my luck, but I'm still standing strong. These old scars remind me where I belong. You tried to pull me under, tried to take my soul, but I'm a warrior, I'm back on patrol. The streets are calling, the night's my friend. I'm chasing freedom I'll never bend. You had your chance, but you played it wrong. Now I'm running wild and I'm moving on. You tried to tame me, but I'm